Meaning of duplicate.
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 Duplicate. The term duplicate refers to an exact copy or replica of something. In the context of digital data, duplication involves creating an identical copy of a file, folder, or disk. This process can be useful for backup purposes or for the distribution of information. Duplicates can also refer to identical items within a set. For example, duplicate entries in a spreadsheet or database. The result of duplication is an exact replica of the original item, which can be used as a backup or replacement or to facilitate information sharing.